to fix operation not permitted error in Mac terminal and iTerm. The operation not permitted error in Mac terminal or iTerm usually happens due to Mac OS security restrictions. So here is a step-by-step guide to fix it. First of all, tap on the Apple icon at the top left corner of your screen, and from the drop-down menu, tap on the System Settings and navigate to the System Settings of Mac. Now, once inside the System Settings, at the left-hand side panel, scroll down and there you will get to see Privacy and Security option available. Simply tap on the Privacy and Security. Now, once inside Privacy and Security, you can see Full Disk Access option available there. Simply tap on it. And once you tap on the Full Disk Access, you can see Terminal option available in there. Now all you have to do is toggle on the switch of Terminal and enter your Mac password or fingerprint. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.